In today's video, I am going to teach you how to adjust camera settings in Microsoft Teams. To begin, open Microsoft Teams in your web browser and go to the meeting screen. You can do this from the Teams meeting link you have, or from your calendar if you are already signed in. Once the meeting interface loads, take a moment to confirm you are on the page where you can see the meeting controls. This is important because the camera settings we need are accessed from the meeting toolbar. Next, find the camera control on the meeting bar and click it. This turns your camera on, and it also helps you immediately see a preview of what others would see. If your video preview does not look right, such as being too dark or not centered, that is exactly what the next settings can help you improve. Also, if you have more than one camera connected, make sure the correct one is active before you continue. Now, click More. This is the menu that usually looks like 3 dots. The More menu holds additional meeting options that are not always shown on the main toolbar. When the menu opens, look for the option labeled Video Effects and Settings and click it. This takes you to the area where Teams lets you control how your video looks, including built-in adjustments. In the panel that opens, click Settings. This section is where you can review the available configuration options related to your video experience. Move slowly and make sure you are selecting the Settings tab inside the Video Effects and Settings panel, not a separate settings area elsewhere in Teams. After that, click Video Effects. This is where Teams provides visual effects that can change your on-camera appearance. Depending on your version of Teams and your organization setup, you may see options that help refine how your video looks. As you choose options here, keep an eye on the preview so you can judge the results before you return to your meeting. Once you are satisfied, you can close the panel and continue the meeting with your updated camera setup. That covers everything you need to know.